What is a keto-friendly substitute for my milk?
My milk?
Yeah. And I'm going to, well, that's how the member, I've never been a milk drinker, so that's how this member asked this question. Like, what do I substitute for my milk? And so I want to ask you that question. You know, we talked about the new Lakanto granola, right? That's a cereal substitute for you in the morning. You were a big cereal eater. Yeah. So what milk would you use if you were going to have some of that?
My favorite thing to do to substitute milk right now is use whole whipping cream or heavy whipping cream and then cut it with water. That's it.
Heavy cream or whipping cream, they're a little bit different. I actually just posted an article on the blog this week. We'll put that link in the comments. But heavy cream and whipping cream are just a few percentages away in fat content. So they're both the highest fat creams you can find. So you can get either one.
Yeah, and I like it because it almost adds what I perceive as a little bit of a sweetness to whatever I'm eating, whereas like 2% milk, even now, is just kind of flat and blah, and it's just white water to me at this point.
So some other options would be coconut milk. So you could choose like the real coconut milk in the can, with the cream on top. Not the light coconut milk, but the real coconut milk in the can. Or you could choose one of the cartons at the store that is an unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk. You just want to read that ingredient list because there's a fairly large disparity among different brands as to what additives could be in there.
Yeah. And I think some of it also goes back to like feeling socially responsible too. Like some people don't like the idea of buying a lot of almond milk because it's kind of like one of those products that's borderline unsustainable if you think about it, because it's almonds mixed water.
Yeah, but you can make it at home as well.
Right, you can.
Yeah, you can make coconut milk and almond milk at home. Just quick Google search. I mean, now would be a great time to experiment with something like that. All right.
That was a quick one.
Yeah, that was a quick one.